I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is articles. Right? So you might have learned or heard about articles. So before we start, and let us understand that what do you mean by articles. First of all, आप क्या समझ आर्टिकल्स क्या है एंड व्हाट विल कम अंडर आर्टिकल्स. आर्टिकल्स के अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं, व्हाट विल कम अंडर दैट. सो आर्टिकल्स में आते हैं बेसिकली ए एंड द. आर्टिकल्स में आते हैं ए एंड द. बेसिकली वी हैव three types of articles, that is a and the. So first, let us know that when these articles are used, कि ये जो articles है वो कहाँ पे और कैसे used होते हैं. We need to learn that thing. Yes. So they are used before nouns. Used before nouns means these articles are used before nouns, कि noun के पहले इसका use किया जाता है. These articles are used before nouns. Now, before moving ahead, first of all let us clear that what do you mean by nouns. Noun is a name of person, name, place, name, place, animal and thing. So nouns में क्या क्या आता है? That is name, place, animal and thing. किसी भी चीज या वस्तु या पर्सन का name, then place, animal and thing. Right? So articles are used before nouns, and noun is the name of name, place, animal and thing. So you need to keep this thing in mind that articles are used before nouns. But some nouns are exceptionals, कि कहीं जो nouns है वो exceptional रहते हैं. Means articles a, n और the जो है वो जो तीन articles है, they are not used before any place and name. यानी कि जो articles जो है that is ए एंड द, ये जो आर्टिकल्स है वो नेम और प्लेस के आगे यूज नहीं होते हैं. इट इज समटाइम्स इट इज एक्सेप्शनल. राइट? कहीं बार वो नेम या प्लेस के आगे यूज नहीं होते. नॉट एवरी टाइम, समटाइम्स. राइट? बट बेसिकली आर्टिकल्स आर यूज्ड बिफोर कॉमन नाउन्स. नाउ we have seen over here that when these articles are going to use, that this article is used before nouns. Right? So that is name, place, animal and thing. Now, and after that we have seen that some nouns are exceptional, so the articles in the are not used, and these articles are not used sometimes when there is a name and a place. Right? They are not used. But now when these articles we are going to use, now let us see that how many kinds of articles do we have. So articles, these which we are going to see that used before common nouns, यानी कि जो आर्टिकल्स ए एंड द है, बेसिकली आर्टिकल्स आर यूज्ड बिफोर कॉमन नाउन्स. कॉमन नाउन्स यू नो दैट मीन्स जो जनरल में यूज किए जाते हैं, सच एज गर्ल, बॉय, पेन. वी आर नॉट सेइंग द नेम ऑफ द पेन, वी आर स्पीकिंग इन जनरल. राइट? सो मीन्स वी आर सेइंग द वर्ड्स व्हिच इन कॉमन. Such kind of nouns are known as common nouns. You all know that. Common nouns. Right? So these articles are used before common nouns. Now there are two types of articles. How many types of articles do we have? Two types of articles. Now, which two types of articles do we have? We have indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article and definite article. Now, indefinite article में कौन सा आर्टिकल आएंगे? Under indefinite article, article A and N will come, and under definite article, the will come. Okay? So indefinite में A और N आएगा and definite में only the आएगा. Right? Now what? अब we know कि अब ये दो तरह के articles है, indefinite and definite articles. Now what is indefinite article? Indefinite article आखिर है क्या? What is that? So indefinite article is because they do not refer to any, because they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Indefinite article यानी कि A और N, right? Indefinite article में A और N आते हैं, यानी कि they do not refer to any particular person or thing. यानी कि जो indefinite article A and N है, A और N, वो किसी particularly एक person को point out करके नहीं बोलता है कि I am talking about this person only, right? Here they are not speaking in speaking to a particular person or a thing, because they do not refer to any particular person or a thing. किसी एक व्यक्ति की बात नहीं करता है. एक व्यक्ति की अगर बात करता भी है तो वो particular उसी लड़के की बात. I am talking about Raj. So here I have pinpointed the name, कि यहाँ पे मैंने name बोल दिया कि मैं राज की ही बात कर रही हूँ. Here if I say I am talking about a boy who is not doing well, so यहाँ पे मैं किसी का name नहीं दिया. I have not spoken the name of any person, right? I have just said a boy. I am talking about a boy. I am talking about Raj. So here I am talking about Raj. Directly I have used that. I have not used A on N. Now if I say I am talking about a boy I have used. Right? So here if we are going to specify the person, then we are not going to use article. But if we are not going to specify the person and we are speaking in general, then we are going to use this indefinite article A and N. Now what is definite article? Because it points out to some, it points out to some particular person or thing. Particular person or thing, right? Definite article जो the है वो point out करता है person को. It points out to some particular person or thing, और यहाँ पे point out particularly नहीं करता है, और यहाँ पे it is going to point out some particular person or a thing. Okay, I hope that this much is clear to you, that articles are used before common nouns, and there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. In indefinite, A and N will come because they do not refer to any particular person or a thing, and in definite article, the will come because it points out to some particular person or thing. Okay, I hope that this much is clear to you all. Now let's move ahead. That all these articles in detail. So first we will start with indefinite article n. सबसे पहले हम n से शुरुआत करेंगे. We'll start with n. Right? We are going to start with n, that is indefinite article. Now let us understand some of the rules to keep in mind related to n. So the first rule which you need to keep in the mind, that is used with common nouns, used with common nouns in singular form only. This articles, the very first rule is that article n is used with common noun that we know in singular form only. कि जब common noun singular form में हो, that is girls होगा तो article use नहीं होगा. If it is only a single girl, then this article will be there. Girl, boy means singular होना चाहिए. It does not be in plural form. Okay? So used with common nouns in singular form only, and the other one, that is used before vowel sounds. So now as we know कि जो articles है वो common noun के पहले use होते हैं. So n and a, right? वो दोनों common nouns और singular form में ही use होंगे. But what is the difference कि अब n और a दोनों common noun और वो भी singular form में use होंगे? तो हम identify कैसे करेंगे कि कहाँ पे n आएगा और कहाँ पे a आएगा? So for that we have another rule, that is n is used before vowel sound. कि अगर कोई vowel sound है तो उसके पहले n लगेगा. If it is not a vowel sound, then n will not be used. Vowel sound you have already studied in your previous standards, that what is vowel sounds. Vowel sounds, that is a, e, I, o, u. Right? A, e, I, o, u. These are the vowel sounds. Now let us see the examples. An elephant. A. Here it is. A. A sound. Don't go with this letters only. आप ये letter देख के identify मत कर लेना कि vowel sound ही होगा. Go with the sound. अब sound देखो. A. Elephant. A. So it is a vowel sound. So yes. So that's why we have used n. Then afterward, an orange. An orange. O. Here O sound becomes. Right? So an orange. O. Right? After that, an appointment. An appointment. An appointment. O. A. So these are the vowel sounds. You can see. That's why we have used n. So you need to keep in mind that when the common noun here, elephant is a common noun, we have not specified the name of the elephant. हमने यहाँ पे elephant का name specify नहीं किया है. We have only said elephant. So वो common हो गया, and वो singular form में भी है. यहाँ पे s लगा दूंगी तो वो plural हो जाएगा, and it becomes more than one elephant. So it is in singular form and it is a common noun. That's why we have used over here article. An elephant. The same goes with orange and orange. मेरी यहाँ पे एक ही appointment है तो an appointment. Okay. So in this way you are supposed to use the article "and" you must need to keep remember one thing in mind, that is "and" is used with common nouns in singular form only, कि वो common nouns और वो भी singular form में हो तभी "and" का use होगा, and apart from that used before vowel sounds, कि जो "and" है, जो आप noun को जब read करते हो तब उसका सबसे पहला vowel sound आता है, then and then only article "and" we are going to use, otherwise we will not use article "and" if it is not a vowel sound. And under vowel sound which sounds will come? That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so these are our vowel sounds. Okay, now let us see that how to use this article in the sentence. So let's start with that. Okay, so now let us see that how we will use "and" in sentences. So I have written over here two sentences. I met an elephant in the jungle. I met an elephant. यानी कि यहाँ पे noun है and that elephant is a common noun and that too in singular form. वो noun है और वो भी common noun है और वो singular form है. That's why we have used "and" over here. I met an elephant and it is a vowel sound A. That's why we have used "and." Now let's see another sentence. Mohan has an amazing personality. Mohan has an amazing personality. So here we have used "and", but the thing which here "and" जो है वो adjective के पहले यूज किया गया, but so here you can see that personality जो है वो हमारा noun है. Personality is a noun and amazing is an adjective. Amazing जो है वो adjective है, personality जो है noun है. So we have used "and" for the word personality, that is noun. हमने जो यहाँ पे "and" यूज किया है वो personality जो हमारा noun है उसके लिए यूज किया है, not for the adjective amazing. Amazing के लिए हमने यूज नहीं किया है, because if you remove the personality from the sentence then there will be no meaning. ये sentence का कोई meaning ही नहीं होगा. Mohan has an amazing, but amazing what? Amazing क्या है? अगर हम personality add करेंगे तो ही हमें उस sentence का पूरा एकदम clear meaning होगा. Otherwise there will be not a clear meaning, right? So for that reason it is necessary to have a noun before the vowel, right after the vowel. Okay, so we cannot speak like we cannot speak "and" personality. हम directly ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते "and" personality, that will be wrong. So उस sentence को थोड़ा complete करने के लिए so we have added amazing. उस sentence को complete करने के लिए that's why we have added the word amazing before noun के पहले to make a complete sentence. Okay, I hope that you have now cleared with this sentence. Now an egg is a good source of protein. Another sentence is an egg is a good source of protein. Egg जो है that is a good source of protein. Egg से हमें अच्छा protein मिलता है. So we will use "and" only, right, with common noun that are in singular form. Egg जो है वो noun है, common noun भी है and that too in singular form. Egg ही है, eggs नहीं है, and here जो sound है वो vowel sound है. That's why we have used "and" and "egg", right? So especially the word noun that is in singular form, जो word noun है और वो singular form में है, but the first letter of the noun, कि noun का पहला जो letter है that starts with vowel sound, then you have to put "n". जो vowel sound से start होता है, right, then you are, but obviously आपको "n" ही put up करना है. But while using these things, these rules, few points that you need to keep in your mind. यहाँ पे आपको जब ये अप्लाई करोगे तो आपको सम कुछ पॉइंट्स है विच यू नीड टू कीप इन योर माइंड, आपको अपने माइंड में रख के वो पॉइंट्स चलना है, देन एंड देन ओनली इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस गो थ्रू दैट पॉइंट्स. Okay, so now the points which you need to remember, which you need to keep in your mind while using an are: do not see the letter but sound. यानी कि आप लेटर को मत देखना, यानी कि जो पहला लेटर है वो वॉवेल का है, ए ई आई ओ यू में से जो लेटर है अगर वो है तो आपने वो उसका एन लिख दिया, ऐसे मत करना. आप उसका साउंड देखना. जैसे हम एलिफेंट में लिखा एन एलिफेंट, तो एलिफेंट में ई आया इसलिए हमने एन लिखा, ऐसा नहीं है, बट उसका साउंड ही एलिफेंट है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड एन. देन एन ऑरेंज, सो ऑरेंज में ओ जो साउंड है वो ओ, दैट इज अ वॉवल साउंड, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड एन. सो डू नॉट सी द लेटर, आप लेटर को मत देखना बट गो विद द साउंड. ओके, then afterwards there are some words in which vowel letters are not there, यानी कि कहीं ऐसे words है जिसमें vowel letters नहीं आते हैं, right? but the उसका pronunciation जो है वो vowel sound से ही start होता है. Let us look at some of the example over here. Ravi is an honest man. यहाँ पे जो honest है, जो noun है हमारा, right? that is honest. हम honest नहीं बोलते, we are not pronouncing h because h is silent over here. h जो है वो यहाँ पे silent है, that's why we are speaking honest, honest. So here this word starts with vowel sound, इसका pronunciation जो है वो vowel sound से start हुआ, honest, o. So that's why, that is the reason we have used n. यहाँ पे अगर हम पहला लेटर ही देखते तो वो तो h है, वो तो वॉवेल लेटर नहीं है, राइट? सो जब भी आप एन का यूज करो तो आप देखना कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो साउंड वॉवेल साउंड आना चाहिए, ए ई आई ओ यू उसका साउंड आना चाहिए. अगर साउंड नहीं आएगा तो ये आर्टिकल जो है वो नहीं यूज होगा. ओके, इफ द साउंड इज देयर देन एंड देन ओनली दिस आर्टिकल इज यूज्ड. रवि इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन, एन ऑनेस्ट. ओके, then afterward we were waiting for an hour. We were waiting for an hour. यहाँ पे भी r sound is there. Hover ऐसा हम नहीं बोलते, we don't speak hover because h is silent, we speak r. So that's why r is the vowel sound, we have used n. Okay, we were waiting for an hour. Now I am an MBA student. So when you speak M, A, तो उसका starting क्या हुआ? Vowel sound से MBA. If it is I saw monkey, तो म directly M का starting म से ही हुआ, monkey, म. But यहाँ पे starting अ है, उसका जो sound है वो अ से start होता है. It starts with अ. A, that is MBA, MBA, right? A, M, उसके बाद म का साउंड आता है, पहले A का साउंड आता है, that is A, MBA student. So for that reason we have used N. So in this way don't go with only the letters. letter देखा A, E, I, O, U देखा और आपने N लिख दिया. Don't do like this way, okay? जस्ट गो थ्रू द, आप पहले नाउन देखो कि नाउन का प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या होता है एंड उसके बाद ही आपको ये लिखना है कि इफ इट इज अ वॉवेल साउंड, अगर ए ई आई ओ यू वॉवेल साउंड है तो ही आप एन का यूज लिखेंगे. ओके, तो ही आप एन लिखोगे, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट राइट एन इफ इट इज नॉट अ वॉवेल साउंड. सो आई होप दैट यू आर क्लियर विद द पॉइंट्स of this. So you don't see only letters but also see the sound of the letter, okay? Which is, as I told you, don't go with only letters but go with sounds also. So these are the things which you need to keep in your mind while using n, and I hope that you have understood well. So I hope that you have understood everything well related to n, right? Now Then other two articles we will study in our next session. हम जो दूसरे दो आर्टिकल है वो हमारे नेक्स्ट सेशन में लेंगे, ठीक है? And till then you just go through this video, revise the article and ठीक से properly revise कर लेना कि and क्या और कैसे use होता है, okay? The other two articles will go again, we'll see in the next session. And as a part of the revision of this, I'll give you a worksheet, and also as a part of revision I'll give you some of the questions in your description section which you are supposed, if you know the answer then you can give me your answer in the comment section, okay? आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी अपने आंसर्स दे सकते हो अगर आपको वो डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन वाले क्वेश्चन के आंसर पता है, then you can comment me in the, then you can answer me in the comment section, okay? And still if you have any doubt then go through the video or else you can ask me in the comment section. आप मुझे comment section में भी पूछ सकते हो if you have any kind of doubts. So this was all about today's session. We have learned about article N. Now article A and article L we will continue in the next session. So I hope that you have enjoyed this session. Until then we'll meet again. Until we meet again, till then bye everyone. Thank you and take good care of yourself.